and welcome to the Queendom. I'm Sarah Engel, and today I'm going to show you a sneak peek of Disney style series dolls. They're not even out yet, and that's the cool part. This is me, I'm so royal. These dolls are not out yet, but they come out tomorrow. Very exciting. So you guys can get your hands on these very soon. And for now, I get to get my hands on them to show them to you. So Hasbro invited me to the launch party of the Disney style series dolls. And that was really cool, and I wanted to take you guys along with me so we can all go see both the launch party itself, which was a lot of fun, as well as the brand new dolls that Disney and Hasbro teamed up to make. I wanted to take you guys along with me to the party. It was a lot of fun, and one thing that I thought was really fascinating about these dolls is they're actually designed with adults in mind, adults who grew up with the Disney princesses. And so you'll notice like the styling is a little bit more sophisticated than what you'd typically see on like a children's doll. Not that little kids can't play with these. All right, so now it is time to reveal the dolly. No, we shouldn't call it a dolly. A dolly's more like a rag doll. The doll. So as you can see here, we have Ariel. I'm really excited about this. We have 3 dolls that are launching the series, and they say launching, which makes me hopeful that there will be more. I'm really hoping for Rapunzel, as you probably guessed. Anyway, so there's 3 different dolls that came out. There is a Mulan doll, there's a Belle doll, and they have here the Ariel doll. And they also have in here, thank you for coming to see and experience the new Disney style series doll collection by Hasbro. We hope today made you feel like a princess again. Remember, no matter what your age, it's okay to believe in fairy tales. Your friends at Hasbro. Very nice. But the only thing is, like, we hope we made you feel like a princess again. Like, what day do I not feel like a princess? And I went with Ariel because I know my channel here, you guys, we really like mermaids. So I wanted to show you Mermaid. Plus it's the 30th anniversary of Little Mermaid, and we're all about some Ariel. Though Mulan was really tempting. I think they wound up running out of Mulan dolls because they were very popular. For whatever reason, my friends and I all wound up leaving with Ariel. There's a number written in there. It says 8397-001, and then it says G1 over there. I don't know what that means. Maybe someone who knows about dolls can tell me. You can crack the code for us so we can know what the code means. They're like doll code crackers. New DCOM, the Disney doll code crackers. So Olivia Ohh is the designer who designed all of the new Disney style series princesses, and she was there, so we got to meet her, and she signed this, which was really cool. Because of this, I also wanted to show you guys at the end some other cool dolls that I have signed by someone very special. So make sure you stick around to the end to see what else I'm gonna show you. So the first room you go into is all Mulan themed. It had these pretty little trees in there, and there were fountains. Then Mulan was like sitting by her little fountain. It was really pretty. And then you go into the next room. There was a wall with 3 huge pictures of all 3 of the dolls. And then the wall back behind it was just covered from floor to ceiling in the actual dolls in the boxes, and that's where they had the designer who was sitting and was signing everyone's dolls for them, which was really cool. They had outdoor areas where they had a bar with all these cute little drinks that were themed to all 3 of the princesses. And they had mermaids. They had 2 mermaids. They had one mermaid sitting in the pool, and then later she was literally swimming in the pool. And they had another mermaid sitting on this shell, and they had a Belle area. So they had the books out and a huge rose wall. It was great for taking pictures, which I actually don't think I got any pictures in front of it. There are lots of friends, a lot of my friends that you guys could see. Amber, you know Amber Arden, we've done a few collabs together. It's kind of fun when you go to Disney events and you start knowing like all the people there, which is it's fun.
Hey!
Guys, look, it's Michelle's trainers.
Yeah, we taught Michelle everything she knew about Disney princesses.
Exactly, and now we're here at the Disney Princess Party.
Yeah, we love that.
TV, in case anyone was wondering what I'm wearing. So big thank you to Hasbro and Disney for the invite. That was really cool. I'm excited to see what other dolls they come out with. Fingers crossed, we get a Rapunzel. Tell me in the comments below, which Disney princess would you most like to see in this new Disney style doll series? So now I'm gonna show you a little bit up close of the Ariel doll. She has intense eyelashes. They all have intense eyelashes, like actual like false lashes. They're not painted on. Like these lashes, like if you blink too hard, if you blink too hard, you're gonna take off. Like it's really cool. I love how they did that. She's with this shell top that has these details on it that look kind of like pearls, and then these little sea stars and pearls. It's super shiny, very reminiscent of the ocean. She's a very like pink lip that is working really well for her. She has a headband that reminds me kind of the seashell that Ursula uses to keep her voice in it. She still feels like a mermaid. I think that's something that's kind of cool about the design of this. She still feels like a mermaid even though she has her legs here. It's inspired not only by obviously her mermaid look, but it's also inspired by the sparkly dress that she wears when her dad turns her into a human at the end. So let's see what it says on the back. Shine a spotlight on a contemporary style inspired by Ariel's world. And then they have that same phrase in 4 other languages. We've got English, Yiddish, French, German, Spanish, or Portuguese. If you speak one of those languages, you can play with the doll. Otherwise, you might be out of luck. I'm sorry. Belle has a very shimmery, shiny gold dress, which is really cool because a lot of places where you find dolls of Belle, the dress will be yellow. But in the movie, her dress is actually supposed to be gold. She also has a rose purse, which is really cute. It's kind of like a really fancy, stylish Disney bound come to life on a doll. She has the red shoes that go with it and her little high ponytail. This looks like her going out look, not like her I'm gonna go read a book look. Unless she likes really dressing up for reading books. So we also have Mulan. Okay, Mulan's is supposed to be inspired by her matchmaker look, which I always think it's funny when they do that because she doesn't like her matchmaker look. There's a sheer layer to it what looks like petals of the flowers going down it. It's so pretty. Actually, this might be my favorite of the 3 outfits. It's in my top 3. Her purse is fan-shaped. She has a really pretty headband with the flower that blooms in adversity. And her shoes, they really are, they're so cool. Since you guys stuck around here to this point, I have one other fancy autographed doll thing I just wanted to show you. It has nothing to do with the other ones, but I wanted to throw this in here somewhere. So this you may have seen, but it is all of the dolls except for Anna and Elsa because they didn't put them in the same set, including a little Vanellope. What's fancy about this is Nara. So if you know the infamous princess selfie viral clips, that was Nara behind that. Nara was the animator. He's super nice and signed this for me. Anyway, I'll put this away. I'll put it away. Regretfully, but I'll put it away. All right, so there we have it. I hope you enjoyed seeing the sneak peek at the new Disney Designer Series dolls. They come out tomorrow, which is August 1st, 2019. Tell me in the comments below which Disney princess you would most like to see become part of the Disney Designer Doll Series. If you want to see more videos like this, remember to subscribe and ring the little bell if you actually want to see any of them and be notified when they come out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. What's really cool about these dolls is they're actually designed specifically Why am I talking to her? This is a little weird. Why was she be a pterodactyl? That was an unnecessary story. Whoa, it's falling out of here. It's like a secret message from Ariel.